This is Zahi. She's an artist and a graphic designer. She doesn't like sitting idle. Actually, sitting idle doesn't like her. If her hands are free for more than 5 minutes, something is being created. She loves painting, sketching her thoughts, and capturing random moments just because the light felt nice. She also enjoys reading, calligraphy, clay art, baking, gaming, and even fashion designing. At midnight, she randomly decides to learn something new. Basically, she just wants to try everything. So no, this page isn't about one hobby. It's about curiosity, about creating, about exploring whatever she feels like next. Welcome to Crafty Zahi. Here, we're trying everything. Thanks for watching.